Derek here, and I'm back for another video. We're gonna do a blind test with the FAC and the Waze members, and they're gonna host today's blind test. What are we gonna do for this blind test?
We're just gonna do a A/B blind test using our common mid-fi DAPS and our modded Zishan player called Zishan DSD.
So why is this test interesting?
Ma-differentiate nila kung ano yung digital audio player or kung Waze o kung Walnut or Zishan yung papakinggan nila.
Really interesting, guys, because this is a $100 DAP versus how much? $300 or $400 or $500 DAPs. So there's a wide range of price difference here. So yeah, we need to find out if the $100 DAP does beat the $500 DAP. Is that interesting?
Yes.
She's sure. Okay. So how many people are we gonna blind test on?
At least 10 people with a combination of newbies and some veterans from the audio group.
Awesome. So 10 people for this blind test. They are gonna host. You're not gonna see me for this blind test. Without further ado, let's get right into it.
I think the first one for me was had a much warmer vocals or had more body in its vocals. I thought that the second one had larger sound stage, like the width of the sound stage. So I think for me, both of the DAPs had strengths of its own, but due to my personal preference, I think I'd take the first one.
So the reveal. So your choice is the Onkyo TPX1. Okay, so guys, we're here with Jovenal.
Go with the first one. First one.
Why?
The first one would have that a little bit brightness in the mids, a little bit clarity in the vocal parts, but the second actually was very, very close to. It was very holographic. You can actually feel the bass, everything, but with my sound preference, with my sound signature, I would really like my mids to be a little bit clearer, and with that, a little bit bite.
Okay, so the reveal. So you chose the 300R versus the Zishan DSD. So 2-0. Okay guys, so we're here with Mr. Jules Aguilar.
Yung first one, hindi siya ganun kalawak, pero yung control sa frequency, okay yung control niya frequency, lalo na sa bass. Hindi siya nag-overpower sa mga hindi nagli-leak. Yung pangalawa kasi, yung dynamics niya mabilis pero accurate. Ang problema nga lang, sa sobrang bilis niya, yung mga frequency niya kumakalat. Pero mas malawak yung stage ng pangalawa. Yung unang sakto lang yung sound stage niya eh. Yung pangalawa kasi umiikot yung stage eh. Pero mas gusto ko yung pagdating sa control ng mga frequency yung sa una. Kasi pag pinakinggan mo yung pangalawa, nag-o-over na yung dynamics eh.
So, ang napili ni Mr. Jules Aguilar ay Zishan DSD.
The second one.
Why?
Kasi yung yung sa may soundstage niya, napansin ko mas parang lumawak siya, naging wide siya, gano'n. Tapos yung details na hinahanap ko sa nauna, parang napuna nung pangalawa. Tapos yung bass naging pronounced. Tapos yung mids din, yung vocals, parang mas naging forward siya, mas naging well-bodied, tapos naging resolving yung overall sound quality niya. Kasi yung nauna kasi medyo flat yung presentation niya, tapos parang nakukulangan ako.
So the leading is the DAP versus Zishan. It's a 3-1.
Hi, hello Sweet Cell. What's the winner for you?
Better is the first one.
Why do you think it's the winner?
There's more clarity for me for the first one rather than for the second one. Yeah.
So we will reveal who is the winner. 300R. So the winner is Pioneer 300R. So the score now is 4-1 for the digital audio player. Hello, Jay. Which one did you choose?
I choose the second player.
Why do you think it's the winner?
It has better separation, wider sound stage, saka hindi siya congested pakinggan.
Okay, I will reveal now which is the one you choose. So, this is it. DPX1.
Honestly, there wasn't any difference for me, and it gave me a hard time to choose what was the difference between the two. I think the second one I would choose. Since I think there's more air. I think the 3D. I think there was a good three-dimensional space there. The height and the width was really great, especially the width. Sobrang lawak niya talaga. Wala masabi. Very sounding, as in both were neutral for me. That's neutral. Pero I would pick the second one. Yeah.
Okay.
Zishan, no? Nandun siya? I cannot tell the difference kung
Okay.
saan sila.
So between the N52S and the Zishan DSD, Doc Lara chose Zishan DSD.
Sound stage for me was better for the Zishan.
Okay.
The winner for me is the first one.
Why is that so?
The first one has better cymbal reproduction and the soundstage is spacious. It's outside my head, but the second one is somewhat recessed and behind my ears. The presentation is like that.
So the winner for you is the first one. Okay. So guys, between the AK-120 Mark II and the Zishan DSD with Muses O2, Dean chose the Zishan DSD. The first one or the second one?
I choose the second one.
Why?
It has better dynamics and precise details than the other. But the first one is very neutral. But I like the dynamics of the second one. So I choose it.
Okay, so you choose the second one. Okay, so the reveal. So between the DPX1, the Onkyo DPX1, and the Zishan DSD with drift op amp, so you chose the Zishan DSD. Okay, so Denver, which one did you choose? The first one or the second one?
I like the second one.
Okay, so why did you choose the second one?
Better dynamics. And the bass is... the texture of the bass is more... much better on the second one.
Okay, so you choose the second one. Okay, so guys, between the 300R and the Zishan DSD, Mr. Denver chose Zishan DSD. So it's a tie.
So again, I'm with the Waze admins here. And we're gonna wrap this thing up. The last 4 blind testers chose the DSD. Super surprising, of course. Some insights on what happened.
Honestly, I was surprised too. Yeah, I think it might be just luck, and but I really think the DSD, the Zishan DSD, it really competes with the higher end players.
So you have the creator himself right here. So I will put down here his credentials so you can visit his site.
Yeah, it was fun. It was tense. It was exciting. It's just a mix of like a mixed emotion event, and it's really unexpected. We didn't expect, the Zishan to catch up during the last part of the blind test, and I'm pretty much happy with the result.
It's fun, and I think the score is just right because it's just the preference. Maybe some of them like the sound dynamics of Zishan, and for the other DAPS, maybe because of the sound stage and their source also, and their IEM or earbuds also. It depends on their preference.
It's a nice event this time. It's because this shows that the budgetfis can compete within certain price bracket.
Yep, we are Walnut and Zishan enthusiasts. And if you like budget, I mean, if you want to dip your toes into budget-fi stuffs, please do join our page. Just be sure to answer the question there when you request. If you're curious or if you want to try it, just come to one of our meets and we'll be sure to assist you.
Awesome. Okay, so that is our blind test for today. Zishan versus the other DAPS, the more expensive DAPS. And definitely it's really interesting for me. It's really interesting outcome of event, especially the clutch, the 4-0 at the end of the blind test, and the Zishan was able to catch up in terms of score. So definitely really interesting for me. Of course, this is still an uncontrolled environment, so it will be up to you what you think of this kinds of blind test. It will be up to you to decide better if you have a listen to the DAPS here, so you get you're sure that it's something for you. But yeah, hopefully you'll enjoy this kind of content. If you did, leave a like, and of course subscribe for more content like this in the future. And of course join the Waze group event, and we're gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.